Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really interesting idea. It's really a cool idea for clearing some drains or toilets. A lot of really good uses for this, and it's nice because it's compact, comes in a lot of separate parts, it does have a lot of separate different adapter heads, and it doesn't require any kind of CO2 cartridge. It just requires a manual pump. You're just going to put this end on here like this and screw that down. It does have a barometer on here that shows the pressure that allows you to pump this up and show the pressure, and you got your release trigger on there. To pump this up, we're just simply going to attach this nozzle onto this back part here. It's kind of like pumping up a bike. We're going to go ahead and lock that into place. And then using this foot pump, and you don't have to take that off, you actually can step on this wire piece here and just go ahead and pump it a little bit. And that's going to build up some pressure in that pressure gauge. And so now that it's built up a little bit of pressure on there, I'll just pull the trigger here. You can hear it like puts all that pressure back out. So now if I was going to go unclog a sink or something, it's easy for me to go ahead and attach one of these other nozzles on here like this. Let's go ahead and pump it up and I'll go fire it in the sink and show you how it works. So using this toilet plunger, it's kind of a pressure auger thing here. I've got built up my pressure, you got a clog, to simply put it over the end there, push the trigger. It's going to go ahead and clear the clog, allowing that to go ahead and flow right on out. Seems like a good tool that anyone can have around for a variety of reasons. Use it in your toilet, sink, shower, bathtub, and without requiring those CO2 cartridges, you're always ready.